Direct replacement. This PCV valve grommet is designed to match the fit and function of the original grommet on specified vehicles. Restores functionality. This grommet is made to fit and fully restore part functionality after the original grommet fails. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by a team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This PCV valve grommet is designed to match the fit and function of the original grommet on specified vehicles, and is engineered for durability and reliable performance. Top reviews from the United States. Exact replacement on my 1985-318. I went to install an aftermarket breather on my truck. Pulled out the old breather and realized that the new one was the wrong size. Went to plug the old breather back in and the rubber grommet had turned so hard that I couldn't reinstall my breather. Now I was stuck. I ordered this to replace the factory rock hard grommet. Worked perfectly. Old one was a pain to get out, but this one slid in easy and allowed me to pop my breather back on. 10 out of 10. Thanks.